So in your account settings with Kit, you can configure which notifications you receive and which ones you don't, and also how frequently you get the notifications. So I'm going to show you how you do that. So you head for the top right corner under your account and head for settings. And then you'll see the second one down the left hand side is entitled notifications. Click on that. And these are the notifications you'll see. Yours may slightly differ if you don't have purchases. It will be because you don't have your Kit commerce platform set up yet at the moment, which you don't need. So in essence, down the left hand side here, you've got checkboxes that you can either select or deselect. You can see it dynamically saves it as soon as you click it. For the things that you want to be notified about. So if someone, for example, subscribes to your list, you can click that one and you'll get a notification when you get a new subscriber. You can switch these on and off as often as you want, and there's a button at the bottom that just switches them all off at the one time. If you find you're getting too many notifications, you can just click that button and it deselects them all. And then for the frequency, you've either got weekly or monthly. So you may choose to say, well, once a month is enough for me. Then just change the frequency over there, and then by default, the notifications you get from Kit will be reflected based on your preferences. So that's how to change your notification preference inside Kit.